Hi folks, this is just a short tutorial to show you how to log into the Lawlytics website and then quickly just to look at your profiles and how you can change them. If you look here, this is the lawlytics.com location on the internet, and then you just simply from here just go to login. And it'll give you a page to log in. Now, first of all, you should have received an email to confirm your account. And when you receive that email, it allows you to create your email address, which of course is the email address at Potestio Law. And it allows you to create a password to enter the Lawlytics platform. So I'm going to enter myself here. Once you enter your login credentials, you just sign in. And you get to the first page here, which is the Lawlytics dashboard. You can see here I am the user, the current user here, and if I simply click on that, here it allows you to change your password and worry about other things. But this is where you find your account information. Now to actually go to the site, this is the dashboard, and you want to see what the website looks like, you just start with new page. And when you get to the new page, it gives you the website that we are registered with, and that's the only one there, potestio.com. Now if I want to preview and see what the website looks like, there's a little eye icon at the bottom here. Okay, it's when you click on that icon, it'll take you to the website. Right now I'm in the Lawlytics platform, and you don't have to be concerned about any of this stuff here because that will be my responsibility for populating the website and filling it with pages. But if you wanted to maybe do a blog or change something on your attorney profile, you would just go here, and then if you click on the eye, it'll take you to what the website looks like. So this is what Lawlytics has done for us so far. This is the home page. When I scroll down this home page, you're going to see just beneath that there's our team, and of course Monica isn't currently there, but she will be there. And beneath that is the content of the home page. Now I'd like you to take a moment this is the content that I just put together very briefly. So I wrote something now about Potestio Law. This is my content about Potestio Law. So if you want to take a moment to read that, it's just something I threw together for a home page. Lawlytics is going to send me a home page template that they created that's probably going to replace this. But if you just want to read what I put together here for the home page, you can do that. And then I'm going to replace this with Lawlytics content in the next couple of days, but just have a read to what I put there for our home page. Now, again, I'm on the site. Now, if I want to return to the dashboard where we make changes, you just click up here where it says Lawlytics. That takes me back to the dashboard. Now, for case, don't worry about any of this stuff. Like I said, we're going to try to minimize the amount of work that you do. Now, if I go again to new page and go back to, so I'm here on the platform. Now, if you notice along here, people, this is part of the dashboard that I'll be working with. You don't have to be concerned about this. But for the time being, if you just want to go to your attorney profiles, let's do that first. So let's go to your attorney profiles. And right away it goes to Tony. Now I inserted Tony's picture here, but this was already populated by Lawlytics. And you can just go in here and have a read at your profile. And if you want to change it or change something, you just go up here to edit. Okay, and then it'll take you to this, which is just like a word processor. You go in there and change things. Now don't be concerned about all these tools here. I'm going to be concerned about working and formatting your content. But if you wanted to change something, you just go in there in here and type in there, or as if it were a word processor. Now, of course, it has the entire staff here, and I have the choice of allowing them to be viewed or not. You'll notice there's Alia. So if I click on Alia, there's her profile, and the same thing, Alia, you can just edit and go in there and change. Now I inserted your picture here, and I did the same thing for Tim. And again, Tim, you could go in here and just hit edit and change anything here that you do not like. Now, at the bottom here, I created Monica, and of course Monica is brand new, so she has nothing there. But Monica, if you just wanted to go in and just type something in, so you would just click on edit. Of course it's blank because there's nothing there. And just like a word processor, you can type a little bio about yourself. And don't worry about these tools. They're very simplistic. I will show you in a future tutorial how to use these, but it's like a word processor. So you can insert an image. But for the time being, if you just want to, don't worry about any of this stuff. Just type in some bio here. And then, of course, when you do type your bio, just save it as a draft, because of course we're not going to publish anything, and you can always come back and edit and make changes. Always make sure you save as a draft, and once you're happy with what you see here in the workspace here, then you can publish it. So all you have to be concerned with right now is maybe work on your attorney profiles the next little while. Okay, and so the only two options that you should be concerned about here on the navigation bar will be your profile and then blogging. Now, if I go to blogging here, you'll see that I've already thrown up one fake test blog that I was kind of playing with. You know, you can see it's a test blog, but if you wanted to do a blog, you would just click on new, and again, it takes you exactly to a word processing type of page. You type your title, your blog, and you do your 2 or 3 paragraphs. Not to be concerned about that just yet, but it's very important to our website. So for your purposes, the only two areas you're going to be concerned about is maybe your attorney profiles, and then when you need to blog something. And I'm going to go back to the main page. So this is the short, quick tutorial to show you how to log in, how to work with your profiles, and where eventually some of you will be blogging some content.